Alright, we're recording the sewer line at 739 South Homer Street. Today is May 14th, 2019. What you're looking at here, there is the Seattle City main sewer. That's about 110 feet out, give or take. We're going to pull back from there. This is a post-jetting video, so I jetted from the outside cleanout, and we're now pulling back. You'll see we got all the major routes. There's still going to be a few smaller ones. Tricklers on there, like that one's probably the worst one of them. But all the major ones that were through this section that were pretty huge, those are all gone. So, you see where they once were? Those little sticks sticking out of the side. So every seam, every 3 feet there's a seam, and that's where the roots come in. So, ideally, you would get that section of pipe lined. That would eliminate this ever being an issue. You put a liner through there and eliminated all the seams. But with the way it is with this old clay pipe, you just have to maintenance it as you go. So jetting and cabling. But as you can see, the pipe's all intact. We're back at 4-inch now. There's some plastic. Somebody redid a section here. Back in clay again, so somebody's done a few spot repairs over the years of parts that have probably... So there's the concrete, the clay going into the concrete there. And we're going to be pulling out there. There's your clean out we jetted from, and that's going to wrap up the video.